Kavurma Turkish roasted meat. Ingredients: 500 grams chopped beef, 1 onion cut into 4, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon butter, salt and pepper to taste, 4 cups boiling water. Directions: Palce the chooped beef into a pressure cooker. Cook, constantly stirring, until the beef releases its juice and then it evaporates. Add onion, garlic cloves and water. Cover the lid and cook for 50 minutes in low heat. When you open the lid, if there is still some juice, boil until evaporates. In a different pan, melt the butter, add beef, throw away the onion and garlic. Add salt and pepper to taste. Cook, constantly stirring for 5 minutes in high heat.